Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a group of math topics that may look simple, but they are incredibly powerful in the real world. Whether you're figuring out your grades, analyzing trends on social media, deciding how likely it is to win a game, or even making business decisions, concepts like mean, median, mode, scatter plots, correlation, and probability show up everywhere. So if you've ever asked yourself, when will I use this in real life? Today is your answer. Let's break this down one by one with examples that make sense. Let's start with the four most common statistical tools: mean, median, mode, and range. The mean is the average, sum of all values divided by the number of values. Let's take this input here: 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, and 8. We have 11 values in this input. So we sum whatever our input is and divide by 11, we get the mean, which is 4.36. Median, the middle number, or the average of the two middle numbers after an input is sorted. Let's take this input here: 9, 1, 2, 7, 8, 3, and 4. The sorted input would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, and 9. Since our input has 7 values, our median would be the fourth value when sorted, which is 4. So our median is 4. Here's another input: 9, 21, 2, and 5. Our sorted input would be 2, 5, 9, and 21. So we take 5 plus 9 divided by 2 and we get the median as 7. Mode, the number that shows up the most. In this input, 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, and 8. The number 3 shows up the maximum number of times, 3 times. So our mode is the number 3. Definition of range: the difference between the largest and the smallest value. In this input, we have 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 6, 8, and 11. Largest value is 11. The smallest value is 1. So the difference between the largest and smallest value is 11 minus 1, which is 10. So our range is 10. Let's talk about scatter plots and lines of best fit. Scatter plot. A scatter plot shows how two things are related. If we look on the left here, we see test score and study time. Each point on this graph shows a student's study time and their test score. And if we draw a best fit line, which shows the trend, we see in this case more study time leads to a higher score. Positive correlation. As one value goes up, so does the other value. And correlation is describing how two variables change together. So in this case, test score and study time still. There's a positive correlation. As the study time goes up, the test score also goes up. Negative correlation. As one goes up, the other goes down. Here, we see that the grades go down as the TV time goes up because there's less time spent studying. No correlation. There's no pattern at all, and we can see this as shoe size wouldn't make sense to have a correlation with test score. So no correlation means no pattern. Let's talk about basic probability and compound events. Probability is how likely something is to happen. It's a number between 0 and 1, where 0 is impossible and 1 means it's certain to happen. Probability is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. For example, rolling 5 on a 6-sided dice. Our number of favorable outcomes is 1, and the total number of outcomes is 6. The probability of rolling 5 would be 1 over 6. What about flipping heads on a coin? We have 1 favorable outcome and 2 total outcomes, so it's 1 over 2. Let's talk about compound events, where there are 2 or more parts. Compound and event, both things must happen, and we have to multiply the probabilities in this case. So let's say flip a coin and roll a dice. What is the chance of getting heads and a 5? Probability of getting heads and a 5 would be 1/2 times 1/6, which is 1/12. 1 over 12. In a compound or event, at least one thing must happen. So we have to add the probabilities. What is the chance of rolling 2 or a 3 on a dice? Probability of it getting a 2 or a 3 is 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, which is 1/3. So there you have it. Mean, median, mode, scatter plots, correlation, and probability aren't just numbers on a test. They're powerful tools that help us make smart decisions in the real world. Next time you're looking at a trend, making a prediction, or calculating your chances, you'll know exactly what to do. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which concept you'd like to explore deeper. See you next time.